For centuries, farmers swore winter snow was free fertilizer. They called it poor man's nitrogen. Today, science says that's mostly a myth, but they were right for a completely different reason. You're about to learn the single best thing snow does for your garden, and the simple trick you can use this week to turn a blizzard into bloom. This is Master Gardener Steve, and for generations, farmers swore that snow made their fields greener come spring. They didn't have soil labs or nitrogen charts, just sharp eyes and a lifetime of observation. And you know what? They were onto something, just not the way they thought. Each snowflake starts its life around a microscopic speck of dust, or particulate matter, and traps a whisper of nitrogen and ammonia as it falls. It's true, snow does fertilize the soil, just a little, but how little? Scientists say a massive snowstorm might deliver a pound or two of nitrogen per acre. To put that in perspective, you'd get 10 times more nitrogen from a single scoop of coffee grounds. For your backyard, that snow is just enough to feed maybe a single spinach leaf. The nitrogen is mostly a beautiful myth. If the nitrogen's a myth, what's the gift? It's the thermal barrier. That soft blanket of snow that keeps the soil temperature stable, preventing constant freeze-thaw cycle that damages tender root systems and heaves plants out of the ground. Snow also releases water slowly in the spring, ensuring deep hydration. Snow's not a feast, it's a life-saving thermal blanket that keeps your precious roots cozy and protected. Not all snow is created equal. City snow, especially near roads, picks up salt, heavy metals, soot, and de-icing chemicals. This can severely damage your soil structure and chemistry. Do all you can to keep that away from your garden and your beds. Your soil will thank you. Here's the simplest trick I promised. Before the next major snow, spread a thin layer of compost or shredded leaves on your garden. When the snow melts, that moisture carries the concentrated nutrients from the compost straight into the soil. A little alchemy that turns your water into a massive spring fertility bonus. Did you know a cubic foot of fresh, fluffy snow holds about 1 gallon of water, but the fluffier the snow, the less water it yields. A heavy, wet snowfall gives you nearly 4 times the water of a light, powdery one. Always check the density before you celebrate your moisture bonus. So is snow really a fertilizer? Not quite. But it's proof that even in winter, the garden never truly sleeps. It's just quietly preparing for the bloom ahead. If you like this video or found it surprising, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to share the knowledge with more gardeners. And for more myth-busting tips like this every week, tap subscribe right here, and I'll see you in the next one.